والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين برضا الله أما بعد. Gentle scholars, esteemed guests, and my dear fellow friends. Today, I stand before you to shed light on a topic which is a huge development for human civilization, contribution of Muslim scholars to science. While often looking into mainstream discourse, the role of Muslim scholars during the Islamic Golden Age have been nothing short of revolutionary. Their contribution laid the groundwork for many of scientific advances we granted today. Islamic Golden Age, spanning roughly from 1488 to 14th century, was a period of intellectual flourishing in the Muslim world. The scholars, it was a time when many scholars from various backgrounds made groundbreaking contribution to numerous fields of science. They united by pursuit of knowledge. The key fact behind this intellectual renaissance is Islamic emphasis on seeking knowledge. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam famously said, "Seek the knowledge as it is far from China," which is highlighting the importance of knowledge, seeking knowledge. This cultural value propelled the Muslim scholars to seek out and build up the knowledge from ancient civilization. There are numerous scholars in different fields, from mathematics, chemistry, astronomy, and different various fields. The notable works of Al-Razi, also known as Al-Raizes in West, in medical field, was a prominent work. His Kitab al-Hawi, was a medical encyclopedia for many years. Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna, was a medical scholar in mid-age Islamic Golden Age. The Canon of Medicine was an encyclopedia to many of medical students and scholars and doctors. Not only in medicine, also chemistry also have so many contributions from Muslim scholars. Jabir bin Hayyan, also referred as a father of chemistry, he developed the bases and acids and chemical compound, which is development to the modern science. Also in mathematics, Al-Khwarizmi, his theory of algebra in Kitab al-Mukhtasar fi Hisab al-Jabr wal-Muqabala was a notable work to mathematics, and algebra was the main invention which is groundbreak the universe. Because the whole social media platform is now working on algorithm, which is invented by Al-Khwarizmi. Astronomy, Al-Battani in astronomy, he calculated the length of solar year. Ibn al-Haytham made advancement in optics. His book, the Book of Optics, was a best and notable work in the field of astronomy. I don't want to prolong my speech. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.
ഈ മത്സരം കഴിഞ്ഞാലുടൻ പ്രധാന